family. So it's been a while. So yesterday I didn't do like so much work. Yes, yesterday. What happened? I did. I think I only worked a little bit. I was picking a car to work. Then I got some work done. Then I came back. So it wasn't so much of a work. I was hoping to do a long walk today, so I was trying to rest my leg yesterday. But unfortunately, today it didn't come off. So that's been the unfortunate scenario. And then the day before yesterday, for that one, I did walk, but then it was not my main morning walk. A little bit uncoordinated because I had to do a bit of work in the morning, searching for something. Then in the evening too, I had to walk stroll in the evening. So I did a screenshot of the day's walk. That was like 5 kilometers on my pedometer. So I'll share that as well. And I'd also do well to share some stuff that I ate over the weekend. This weekend, dear, I am in Hobasa. Yes, so the day before yesterday, I took Anguamo Shepe like that. Then the day before, I took Gakinke. Yes, then that's why I went to get. Yes, I finished it up. So I'll share those as well. But today, I'm just walking to get my hair braided. So it's vacation, students are home, and how do I say? It's hard to get a car. So it just came to my mind, if I'm going to stand there waiting for a car for 30 minutes, I might as well just walk to science and then get my hair braided. So yeah, that's how come I'm in my workout clothes. So I'm on my way. But I'll keep you updated how the day went. Yeah, as usual, I'm using my usual route. I'm going to drop by the office to drop my stuff, then back to the salon. So yeah, I'm enjoying the green here. This is where usually I do my walk in the morning. I've already shared in my earlier videos. There are street lights in here, so it's safe. I think some is still not off. It should be off by now. Yeah, you'll be able to work out. That's okay. Some days, yeah, there's some college cheat day, but you're here and they say you get back before, but we have to invite up. Yeah, so yeah, I'm enjoying my leisure walk to the office. Well, it's not that leisurely because I'm sweating a bit. I'm walking quite fast. I'm almost down with 2 kilometers. Not bad. If I get 3 or 4 cars, Madam Miami after that. So yeah. So I just met one folk I also meet on the road when I'm walking out, and it was like, oh, Sadie, come on. I was like, yes, so that's why I'm deliberately walking this morning. So yeah, keep the fun on the road as well. You know that thing. You build some friends when you start walking. I'm walking friends as well. They also help, like iron sharpness iron. So it's pretty cool. I think one of these days I should feature him. He's gone. Yeah, one of these days I should feature him. He looks quite old, he's quite good, but he's very physically fit. Like he's always working out. Okay, I'm 10 and past the 8 now, maybe to me when I get to this age. So yes, one of these I'll share the moments with him as well. I'm still working and continuing my journey. Family, it's been a very long time I've been on the road. I've been absent for 2 weeks now. I had an issue with hemorrhoids, what you call piles or cocoa. So I had to pause and check it, and I think it was because of my diet change. So when I paused in the last 2 weeks, what I did was to modify my diet, take more fiber like wheat and all those ones. Then it stopped. Then unfortunately, a week after, my menses came, so I had to also relax. But now I'm done and I'm back to the road. Today I used a different route because it rained last night, and my normal part, some places are just moist and wet, so I'm using a different route as well today. So I'll share that with you along while we're back. Yes, the good thing was, even though I was off for the 2 weeks, I was a little bit conscious of what I was eating, and so I didn't really put on to cross my excess because I was at 86 And then when I checked last night, I was at 84. So yes, before I went off the break, I was at 83. So that means I've gained an extra one, which I'd have to kill off and then reduce further. So yeah, that's about it. I'll keep you updated on what happens in the day. Love ya. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and learn from my journey as well. So this is the route I'm using today. I came from that side. That goes to the highway. This side goes straight into Ola. This part goes to a light industrial area, but the road afterwards is bad, so I won't even use that part. I'll just go this way and end in there. So yeah, this is the route I'm using today. So yeah, it's pretty much hills and curves around this part. That's what is up. A lot of hills and curves. Yeah. So I'm just going to keep up going because it's still not too early in the morning. I'll just put my phone aside small before someone slaps me and take my phone away. Like I said, this is Africa. You never know. You just have to be a bit cautious yourself. That's what matters. So yeah, that's it. I think the only thing which is going wrong for me this morning is I'm itching as usual. Once you stop and you're cutting again, the itch comes. So I'm itching a bit, but then I'm just taking my mind off and then continuously walking. I'm not doing so much of a fast-paced walk as well, just to control the itch too. So that's the main thing that has happened to me this morning. But aside that, I think I'm good. I'm going. So yeah, this way, like I said, a lot of curves and a lot of rough road. I think it wants to rain, so I'm just going to hasten my steps a little bit. But I'm around Notola. The way the clouds are, boy. So yeah, I'm on the road again. Unfortunately, last night I forgot to do a screenshot of what I did before. I didn't get to 10, but then it was impressive because as of the time I was midday, I was around 5 point something. Yeah, but then today I'll do well. And I think I can retrieve that information. So I'll look for it and I'll compile it and stock it up for the week. Yeah. So yeah, I'm on the road. I'm walking today. No itching, no ababase. Yeah. So I'm not itching today, so that's good. So like I said, whenever you stop, you resume. If you're like me, you end up itching, but that's normal. Just keep up. Yeah. So that increase my pace just a little. Plus, I actually left my room at 5:15. I have a class at 6:30, and so I'm supposed to walk as briskly as possible so that by 6 I'm in my room to wash down and then pack to class. I think later on I have to do a video of how I prepare so that I'm not late because I'm not really the late person. And I'm always a prepared person. And mind you, I go to work every day for my lunch as well. So I'll share that along later. Good morning. So yeah, I'm on the road and it's already the clouds look a bit interesting, but move. So if you've been following me, this is the route usually I take when I'm going out of campus. But today I'm using it the reverse way. So I'm starting from here, then I'll pass through my, where there's so much trees. I'll use that route with the curves and all those ones, then to my end here. I'm just enjoying the green and the serenity of the moment. I'll link up. morning. That's where I'm going. Yeah, that's me. Getting white. I'm in the hills. Still my friends. Good morning. I don't even know what your number is, but I'm just hitting the road now. Yeah. So I'm returning to my abode. Hey, look that way. Ha ha ha.